Okay, so I'm going to put this little part here at the end of the video you just watched. They're going to be like there's going to be a quick kind of like a commercial type thing that I just threw together. Then I'll have kind of a longer video showing the rack. So then right now I'm just going to kind of give my opinion on the rack, I guess. It's awesome. It's super tough. Haven't had any issues with it. Probably 150 miles or so of driving, and it's been loaded down. It's got my spare tire strapped to it. That's a 29-inch spare tire, so that's not a small spare. And then it's got your bag up there, and then that's loaded with all my tools. So there's a lot of weight on this rack, and it's working great. So, and then another question you asked, if the side kit, I have it off right now, but you asked if the side kit worked, and it does work together. It does overlap. I'll give you a picture. It overlaps this this mount. It kind of sits on top of it a little bit. So that actually a person could cut that off, I guess, but it really doesn't bother me. It doesn't really it doesn't even make the bed kit crooked or anything. So I'm all right with it. Okay, so another thing you asked about was these fuel tanks, and you wanted to know how they were mounted. And I was able to get, like I said, 3 mounts. There's a 4th mount that isn't going into anything, and those are just T-nuts. Actually, those are T-nuts that you gave me, extra ones. You gave me 6 extra ones, and that's what I needed to get them mounted. But it is very secure. I don't see why that wouldn't hold. Well, I know it's going to hold these little cans of fuel. So. You do got to have the rack high enough to be able to get these to clear. Actually, it could go down. It could go down just a little bit more than what I have it here. But I like having a little more room under the rack. So actually, the only complaint I do have on the rack is there's a little bit of rusting happening on some of these set screws. So other than that, it's holding up really good. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video that I put together. Actually, it's a lot of work, but yeah, hopefully you like it. So I guess that's going to do it for me on this one. I'll see you.